There's a new crossover in town. Kaka-launch lang ng Mitsubishi X-Force, so it's up to me para tingnan how it fares against its competition. Siyempre, saan pa itatapat yan kundi sa offering ng best-selling brand in the Philippines? Pero this time, hindi top of the line ang pagtatapatin natin. Malaki kasi ang agwat ng Mitsubishi X-Force GLS versus the top of the line GT. So for this comparison, entry level lang tayo. Saan natin siya itatapat? Di sa subcompact crossover ng Toyota, which is the Yaris Cross G. So wag na nating patagalin pa. This is the spec check between the Toyota Yaris Cross versus Mitsubishi X-Force. Will the force be with you? Yan ang titignan natin. Kotse ba? Feel kotse na. Siyempre, uunahin natin ang presyo. The Toyota Yaris Cross G is priced lower at 1,204,000 pesos, while the base model Mitsubishi X-Force is at 1,367,000 pesos. That's a 163,000 pesos difference, so malaki-laki. Sulit kaya sa Mitsubishi. The Mitsubishi X-Force is bigger in all areas compared sa Toyota Yaris Cross. The only aspect na lamang ang Toyota is ground clearance, which is useful sa Bulacan at Valenzuela. Pero kahit mas mataas ang angat nito, mas matangkad pa rin ang X-Force at 1,660 mm. When it came to power, almost similar ang dalawang ito. Parehas silang may 1.5-liter engine na walang turbo and paired to a CVT. Mas mataas lang ng konti ang torque ng Mitsubishi. And may additional drive modes ang X-Force na wala sa Yaris Cross. Nasa upper variant pa ng Yaris Cross ang mga drive modes kasi. Now, for the exterior, sobrang standout ang Mitsubishi X-Force. Hindi lang distinct ang DRL nito, nakatago pa ang headlights kaya interesting talaga tingnan. On the other hand, medyo conventional ang design ng Yaris Cross, but its overall look is like a compact form of the bigger RAV4, lalo na yung likod. Kaya cute rin talaga for Toyota fans. In terms of amenities, same sila halos. Lamang lang ang Yaris Cross with its headlight leveling option and auto-folding mirrors. Pero parehas naman silang may all-LED lighting, so goodies yan kahit maulan. The conventional versus distinct battle of the Yaris Cross and X-Force continues in the cabin. The Yaris Cross has the usual treatment while the X-Force has new gimmicks like the cloth material on the dashboard. The Yaris Cross starts with formidable features like digital gauges, big touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay, automatic climate control, wireless charger, and electronic parking brake. Pero tinapatan niyan lahat ng Mitsubishi X-Force. It has a digital cluster, bigger 12-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay, dual-zone climate control pa, Yamaha-designed 8-speaker system, and electronic parking brake. Yun lang, walang wireless charger for the GLS variant. Parehas naman held back sa safety features ang dalawang crossover na ito dahil nga base model sila. They get standard features pero mas lamang ang Yaris Cross sa area na ito. It has 2 more airbags and may sensors on both ends of the car. With that in mind, alin ang mas sulit sa dalawang ito? Well, kung spec lang ang titingnan, parang mas okay ang Yaris Cross. Hindi naman nalalayo ang features nito sa X-Force at significantly cheaper pa. Pero kakaiba kasi ang performance ng X-Force, something na hindi mailalagay sa spec sheet. Kaya the best pa rin is ma-test drive ang dalawang ito para malaman mo which is the one for you. I'm your host Stanley Chi, ang yung senpai ng turbuhan. Alam niyo na gagawin ha, i-follow sa lahat ng mga social media accounts. Ako. So kita-kits tayo sa next video, dito lang sa Phil Kotse. Bye-bye! Thanks for watching! For the latest news, reviews, and anything you want to know about cars and car ownership, visit philkotse.com. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Spotify para hindi ka huli sa usapan. Tandaan, kotse ba? Fail kotse na.